Hello, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Thank you for watching. So something I want to try is I have this open package of turkey pepperoni. I am going to try to dehydrate it. Since it's turkey, it hopefully won't make as much of a mess as like the bacon did. So I'm going to put this out on here and I'll get back with you. Okay, I've got 3 trays worth. So I'm going to crank it up. I'll put the lid on it. And don't worry, quality assurance received their payment. They each got a pepperoni. Now, I feel like these are done. They have a crisp to them. You can get the same results from microwaving. But I just thought this would be a fun little thing. You know, I've done the lunch meat, but the turkey pepperoni, they're definitely leaner and less calories. So, of course, you'd want to, even after they're dehydrated, you would not want to weigh them out per se, because at that stage they are, they're dehydrated, so they're going to weigh less than what they did. Same with the lunch meat sandwiches. But anyway, these are just something fun, like when I've got family coming to town this month. So this is something fun that I can take along. And when they're eating chips, I can nibble on these or my lunch meat chips. And something fun that I can share with them. So, all right, that's how those are turned out. I'm going to store these in the refrigerator. So I've posted about what I'm going to have for my lunches and suppers. Now I'm going to work on what I'm going to have for my breakfast. I'm going to end up having 3 pieces of bacon every day and 3 eggs. So I don't want to cook every day, so I'm going to make egg muffins. I'll just go on and make 6 of them. Because on the weekends I can cook, and that's not a big deal. So I've cracked 18 eggs. I'm going to put some salt in there. I'm going to put a little black pepper in there. And I'm going to put a little bit of white pepper in there. Okay. And then I'm going to zhuzh it up with my electric blender. Okay. So now I'm going to divide that into 6 servings. And then I'll know that it's 3 eggs every day. Wait a minute. Let me spray it. Hang on. I did not use, I don't have any of the tallow spray that I used to use. So that is technically not Carnivore. That's olive oil spray, but that's all right. If the Carnivore police are going to get me over that, well then, I'm not too concerned about it. Now, usually, whenever I make my breakfast casserole, I have vegetables and bacon and cheese in it. I'm not going to do any cheese because I did not figure that into my calorie count. So I'm just going to have eggs and bacon, and that's what my breakfast will be. My breakfast will be one of these, and I have these bacon. I did like you all told me, and I folded them in half. But I have the oven at 350 because I don't want these at 400. So I'm going to just do it low and slow until the bacon's done, until the egg muffins are done. Here's the egg muffins. Let's see how they look. Well, yep, they come out clean. So those look good. So I'm just going to let them cool off. The bacon, it's not done how I like it. So I'm going to let it go for another 20 minutes. I like crispy bacon, almost burnt bacon. You know what? No, I'm going to leave it because I forget I'm going to microwave it. So I'm going to let these cool down, both of them, and then I will portion them out. I'll put those in Ziploc bags, and those I'll put in Ziploc bags, or I'll figure something out. But I got to let it cool first. Okay, so I have these already. They've cooled down. I have 2 of them that were the dehydrated bacon. These is the bacon that I just made up today. So this way, this will be my breakfast. I'll grab and go. And you know, I tell you all time just how big my God is and how funny he is. You know, I opened up my container or my cabinet. And I was like, all right, what container am I going to put my bacon in? Oh, nothing here. There was one container, which is this one. And that's like the last thing I have to do with meal prep. So God's like, he's so funny. He's like, here, you'll have one container left. I got you, girl. I got you. I'm telling you, God is hilarious. All right, now I'm going to pay quality assurance each with some bacon. Sammy. Callie. Baxter went outside. Hang on. Watch how fast he'll come in when he hears me whistle. Here you go, Bax. Wait a minute. Sit. Take it like a gentleman. I'm telling you, he's baby shark. Okay, so quality assurance was just paid. You were witness to it. Okay, that's the end of my breakfast meal prep. Bye.